Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. Karibu tena sana. If you're a new subscriber, karibu tena sana to yet another episode of Aisha Shish. And for those who are returning back, thank you so much. Thank you so much for always sticking by. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tuko 300. We are in 300. Woo! So we are road to 400. Yay! So guys, thank you so much for making me reach that far. Yeah, thank you so much. So today we have an interesting video. This person is here. Baba, what do you want? My baby is here. You want to say hi to people? So guys, without any further ado, we have an interesting video today, a DIY. So I want to take you through what I'm going to be making today and hope you're going to enjoy. Stick by, guys. So let's see what I have today. Here I have some frames here. Okay, niko na frames hapa. I bought a while back that is, and there are 6 of them. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And also here I have some pictures. I downloaded them from Pinterest. Yeah, and I also went and printed them. Yeah, they are also, I don't know how many they are. They're like 5. Yeah, 5 of them. Nili miss moja, but I'm going to do something about it. Yeah, and here I have my spray paints. Yeah, this is spray paints. And my baby here, he's destroying my mounting tape. Yeah, so this is my mounting tape that I'm going to mount with it. So I'm going to decorate this frame with these pictures. I'm going to put these pictures inside. Then I'm going to spray paint to a black color because gold is not my color. So I'm going to spray paint it with black. Then I put my pictures. Then I mount them in my wall. On my wall, that is. Sorry. So let's do this, guys. So guys, here we are. The frames are done. Wow, they're just looking nice. Nice. Baby, Tijan, they're looking what? Wow, they're looking what? Wow. So guys, and I had to buy like a super glue to attach with the mounting with the mounting tape, at least ishikilie kabisa. Sio, najua sometimes hizi mounting tape huwa zina like they tend to hizi nini zao zinaisha glue haraka. So I had to buy like a super glue. I'll show you how I'm going to put them. Yeah, so zimekauka vizuri sana and I'm loving it. They are shining. Oh my, I just love it. So let me put the pictures. Yeah, I'll show you the final product. Guys, I'm done putting the pictures into the flame. You can see they're looking nice. I just love it. I love the outcome. Yeah, hope you can see. I love the outcome. The most hey, nime struggle. I've struggled here putting these nails here. You see? That is the most hectic thing. So guys, I'm done. And also the hectic thing, doing this thing with my baby. Amenisumbua pia yeye anataka kuweka stuff like that, like he's saying, "Mom, not this one. Mom, no, mom." Things like that, but I'm done. Now I want to mount it by using this mounting tape and this super glue. Yeah, so I'll just, and I'm going to put my frame there. Yeah, so I'm going to remove that one. I put it there. Yeah, I may put the other side. No, let me put there. Yeah, I'm going to put it there. So guys, let me put the mounting tape, then I'm going to show you. So guys, I'm done. I'm done, but I've not finished. Nimebakisha ngapi? Nimebakisha mbili. I've remained with 2. Yeah, so my super glue has finished. And yet sijaeka hapa. I wanted to put here so that it okay evil. Like that. I wanted to put it there, but since my super glue has finished, itabidi nimalizie kesho. So guys, hope you're enjoying my videos. Yeah, so let me show you how it is. Yeah, niki buy super glue ingine, I'm going to fix this, then I'll show you the outcome. So guys, since I've not finished, you're just going to enjoy the way it is. Hey, I just love the outcome. It's so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. I just love it. Oh my. Yeah, so let me show you guys. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you're watching and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Tijan, acha kupiga noise. Acha kupiga kelele, mama anaongea. Sindio? So if you are watching and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, yes, yes, yes. You like, share, and comment down below. Ukinivunjia wewe. Hebu acha baba usivunje. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you've enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you're watching, you've not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe, guys. So guys, if you're there and you've been wondering what to do with your frames, what to put inside your frames, that's the idea. That's the idea. You see? So guys, thank you so much for taking your time to come and watch this video. I really appreciate so much. So guys, till next time, bye.